Alright guys, new day, new vlog. Today we're gonna visit another interesting town from Italy, so stay with us to see what's all about. Back again to Torvaianica, a small town from south of Rome. Torvaianica is situated along the Tyrrhenian Sea on the west coast of Italy. Here we have the map of this town, and here a nice view over the seaside. So this town is part of municipality of Pomezia. For parking you'll have to pay €5 per day. I would say it's quite affordable, it's not a lot. Food wise, here we have some prices. I wouldn't say they are bad at all. Here we have their town center. In front it's the church, in the center a statue, and on my left hand side a bus station. It's a really small town. Right, this is the main supermarket of this town, can be found here at number 39. A really small one, but they do have a lot of offers. Here we have another map of this town, and we are here at this point. We are back now on the seaside cliff, where we can admire these houses' architecture. I do like these benches. They are quite useful here. This town is also known for having, in the medieval times, a defense tower against North African pirate attacks. I see a lot of fish boats there, so let's have a closer look. Guys, we are filming now at the end of May. It's 31 degrees Celsius here, and the season hasn't yet started. Of course, I was talking about the summer season. I'm saying this because I do see a lot of rubbish here, which means the cleaning hasn't yet started. I mean, have a look what's here. Alright guys, let's now have a look at these fishing boats. The local economy is based on tourism, with a significant focus on hospitality, retail and catering to visitors. Probably the main activity of this area is fishing. Fishing and agriculture also play roles in the local economy. I mean, have a look here guys. How old is this boat? Whoa. I can see here that was refurbished several times. And this is what it has inside. So this boat is definitely a veteran. Probably here we have some spare parts of it. This one is nice as well. Well, of course, it doesn't have so many accessories like the previous one. Right guys, so this area looks to be full of fishing boats. I'm not gonna film them all, but either way the vibe from here is amazing, even at the end of May. Very close to the location we have previously filmed, we have another small docking area. This can be seen, a docking area with only 3 fishing boats. From here we can see what this boat has inside. And again we are seeing rubbish here. I don't think these were brought by the sea. Yeah, this is definitely from the people that are living here. Guys, littering is not good at all. We have also a starfish here. Right next to the small dock we filmed, we have this abandoned house. This is actually reflecting the economy of this place. And again we have here a lot of rubbish. So sad seeing these kind of buildings abandoned. you watched the video, subscribe.